We are cooking cocoyam or ofede, bitter leaf soup. That's what I want to make. Bitter leaf. So this is cocoyam I'll be adding now. So this is ogri, pepper and crayfish. Guys, this is correct Anambra bitter leaf, but I chop it, I slice it a little because the sand was much. Oh, I have to wash. I've washed this thing more than 6 times, but let's see. Yeah, there is still a little bit sand in it. This is correct Anambra bitter leaf, guys. Check it out, film it well. This is my soup, it's very delicious. Our soup is ready, guys. 100% ready. Come and patronize your girl. Come and patronize me, yo. Look at it. Don't be scared. Betty Gary cover. Bye.